Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 112 different strategies, with 35 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability strategy. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 993 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a 15-minute day trading strategy. And so the source video claims that this new indicator is the future of trading and has amazing accuracy. And so I'll go ahead and turn these two off right here. And the first indicator we will be adding to the screen is going to be the Phantom Flow Trend Detector. And so you'll add that to the screen, and when you add it to the screen, nothing will actually appear. And so, of course, the source video explained this as well. And of course, we're going to put the claims of the source video to test in this video. So what we are going to do is just go ahead and turn on the Phantom Flow there, and you can see same deal, it doesn't show anything. What we're going to do is just click on one of the candlesticks there, brings up a double click, brings up the settings. We are going to turn off the body and the wicks of the candles, and now you can see that we have this really nice coloration in the candles right there. And so the source video claim was that this is the new indicator that is the future of trading. And basically what it is doing is giving you the overall trend when it is red. That is a downtrend. When it's green, it is an uptrend. And when it turns purple or yellow, that means that there's a possibility that a trend change is going to take place soon, and basically prices in consolidation. So it's an interesting indicator, definitely interesting indicator. I don't know if I would say that it is the future of trading, but we'll see how it does in the test. The next indicator you are going to add to screen is going to be the super trend. The super trend times 4 with cloud fill, this one right here by Kush. And so you'll add that to the screen. We'll turn that one on there. Now on default, it will have some buy and sell tags. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and add that to the screen once again so that way you can see. Now on default, it will look like this right here. And so what we did was went in again per the source video, and we turned off the set 1 long and short labels, set 2 same, set 3 same, and set 4 same. And so basically just turn off all the labels on this. And so what we're looking for is when the super trend indicator goes all green. So all of the super trend indicators are green, and we have a green bar on price action. That's going to be a signal to go long. When we get the all the super trend indicators lined up to the downside, when they are all black, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so, okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this long trade. So you can see here that we get all the super trend indicators lined up. It's hard to see, but this is the last one right here with this little green dot right there. It's going to be the 4th super trend, and you can see that we have a green colored candlestick there. So that'll give us our short setup signal that we're looking for. We're going to put our stop right at the nearest super trend line, and we are then going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of this. All right, so you can see there that we get some consolidation and then finally a nice spike to the upside, which got us to our take profit. All right, and for a short trade, what we are looking for is all the super trends to be black colored super trends. You can see that we finally get the 4th super trend right here, colored black, and at the same time we get a nice red candle right there. And so that'll give us all of the setup for the short position. We will then put our stop at the nearest super trend line, and then we are going to once again target a 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward, and you can see there that we make a nice push to the downside, once again getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. And so we had the 1 to 2 risk reward. And so let's say on the winning side, you were looking to gain $600 per trade. And on the losing side, you were looking to risk $300 per trade. Means on the winning side, you would have gotten $8,400, and on the losing side, $10,800 for a negative of $2,400. So definitely not the greatest strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator and Z-Score probability strategy that I've mentioned a few times already in the video. We got 54 trades with 36 winning trades and 14 losing trades. It's going to put us right at a 72% win rate. A little bit low for this strategy, but still profitable. That is the thing that a lot of people miss about this. And so with the kind of same monetary gain with a risk to reward of 1.3 to 1. The total gain on the winning side would have been 21,600, and the total loss would have been 10,920 for a total gain of $10,680. And so quite a nice little profit you would have gained over about a couple months, somewhere around in that area. And so that just goes to show that the Academy of Forex strategy, you do not need the 80% win rate to be profitable. Right around 70% or above still gives you a nice little profit. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a 7-day free trial. Just sign up for our Patreon down below, and you will get the access, be given information on how to access that indicator. And so that's it for this strategy video. This one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.